I would now like to take the opportunity to share with you the highlights of what NASSCOM is doing for the product ecosystem. So we wanted to kind of just take a quick look at what products are. And products, Indian software product companies are those companies that have created product intellectual property in India and are selling it as a product or a solution on the cloud, mobile, or package format. And this becomes our basis for, for what product companies are and selecting them. Now, if we look, we just take a quick glimpse at the statistics that are existing in today's market. We look at from 2013 to 2014, there's a 9.5% growth of 225 billion rupees. And we can see that this has really been powered by SMAC, cloud and optimization analytics. So we've got 12% of the share of the total domestic market. And if we look at the exports, then we look at a 1.6x raise in the last 5 years, where we have an income of US $1.7 billion. And we have now 3,500 product companies and product firms in the country. And we can see very clearly that these are now being powered by not only the tier 1 cities, but the tier 2 cities. So what is the vision? What is our vision? Our vision is to establish the Indian software product ecosystem as a world-class source of high-value, innovative, next-generation products, which enjoy robust sales traction and are establishing a category or IP leadership in both the domestic and the international markets. This is our vision, and this is run through the product councils. So we have the product council at the national level, and we have the other product councils. And the Kolkata Product Council, as you are all aware, has been highly motivated to do this NPC so successfully. So the pillars of engagement are domestic and international programs that we do, giving visibility to our product companies, doing industry partnerships or business connect programs, benchmarking through the product excellence grid, working with or setting up COEs for product design, product management, and also enabling through policies, skills, and funding. So what all have we been doing? Very clearly, we've been focusing a lot on skills enablement. You must have seen workshops which are being held here in Kolkata, and the similar workshops, similar roundtables, and seminars are being held all over the country. We have a community. We have a online community, and we have been pretty active on it. So for those of you who are not part of this community, I encourage you to please do sign up for our community and share your views. We also do very specific mentor connects as a part of our community. The exciting bit, NPC, that is already happening here is now also the national NPC is going to take place in Bangalore, and I'll tell you about that in a short while. But before that, we also have the Emerge 50 Awards. And for those of you product companies who have innovative products, I encourage you to apply to these Emerge 50 Awards and be showcased at the NPC Award. We do our business connects, and we have a product marketplace. So this is an online product marketplace. And again, I would request you all to enlist your products and allow all people all over the world and globally to look at those products. And also, NASSCOM plays a huge role in helping with policy engagement with the government. So we've got a white paper on recurring payments. We are looking at tax administration reforms. We're looking at cloud communications, etc. Now the exciting part that all of you would want to know, and that is the NASSCOM Product Conclave, which is going to be held on 30th and 31st of October at Bangalore, at the Vivanta by Taj. So I encourage you to please block your seats right now and do not be disappointed at a later date when we are sold out. So that's just a quick look. We're expecting about 1,700 participants. We're looking at more than 80 sessions, and we're looking at 25 showcases and more than 100 product connects. So if you have a product to showcase, we suggest that you apply at the Connects program and have an opportunity to showcase your products in the categories, select categories that are available. You can go to productconclave.nasscom.in and you can look at the website and you can get all the details from there, including the brochure. So this is 3 days. There'll be 2 days of the NASSCOM Product Conclave and one pre-day, which will be a day of workshops. And so you can expect business insights, workshops, showcases, lots of networking, and also a lot of fun. And just to kind of give you an idea of the kind of content that you can actually gain access to, we have, different tracks, the technology tracks, the business track, and the future sectors tracks. And you can actually get to look at very interesting Internet of Things, big data, experience design. You can look at even, fintech and retail and agri-tech. So there are a bunch of new things which are going to be coming up, and I really, really urge you to take this opportunity and do attend this event. Thank you.